Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Akbar Prasetya and my other friend is
Rois Saifur Rizal.
Today we are gonna read the dialogue about Maritime English, but we are in the engine department. I am as a chief, Rois as a cadet. Okay, let me start. Good morning, Dad. How are you today?
Good morning, Saif. I'm fine, thank you.
Alright. May I ask you about engine department?
Sure, it's my pleasure, Saif.
What is your duty if you become a third engineer?
My duties when become a third engine are helping maintain and keep the operation of the auxiliary engine.
What kind of auxiliary engine do you operate?
I'm operation ship, a pump and the boiler.
I see. But how many pump in the engine room?
There are 4 pumps in the engine room, Saif.
Okay, then what kind of boiler we use in this ship, Dad?
We ask fire to boiler in this ship, Saif.
Great job. Do you already know about all engine department duties?
Yes, I do, Saif. I am now on the duties of the engine department.
Alright, keep the good job, Dad. See you later.
Of course, Chief. Thank you. Have a great day.
Alright, thank you, Rois Saifur. Thank you, everyone. See you later.
See you.